Okay. Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the topic for our course, that is repair and maintenance of our bike, we are going to discuss the engine block, that is it is also called as the cylinder block. In the previous video we have discussed about the cylinder head. So what is the function of the cylinder head, what are the components in the cylinder head, the valves, the spark plug, the inlet and exhaust valves, etc. So today's video we will discuss about the engine block. So you can see I have a 100 cc motorcycle, that is CT100 engine block. Now this block, you can see this is a casted block, it is having the fins. So this is the fins for cooling of the engine, and this part, so you can see this top part, so this is the top dead center, this part is the top dead center, and the piston will travel from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. So this part here, the piston will travel from the top dead center to the bottom dead center in this cylinder liner. So this is the cylinder. Inside you can see the downside part of the piston. So this is the piston pin, and this piston pin is having two locks. So the piston will get locked with the piston pin or gudgeon pin, and it is connected to the connecting rod. Now from the top side you can see on top of this it will be the cylinder head. So inside you can see a flat head piston is there, which is having two grooves, one for the inlet valve and one for the exhaust valve. Now I will show you how these valves when mounted on the cylinder head, they will mount like this here. When the engine is mounted, that is the cylinder head is mounted, you can see this valve will be here and the exhaust valve will be here like this, it will be here. So these two valves will be mounted likewise, and you can see the groove is provided on the piston so that it will provide a space when the valves open in the suction, power and exhaust stroke. These valves are continuously opening and closing. Now this cylinder block is having this gasket. Okay, so this gasket is mounted like this. Okay, so this gasket is mounted like this, and on top of that you have, on top of this you have this cylinder head, what we have seen in the last video. So this we have discussed in the last video, that is the cylinder head, this is the cylinder block or also called as engine block. So it will fit like this, it will fit on this in this way. Okay, and this will be the complete engine, what we can say, the engine having the cylinder head and the engine block. Okay, you can clearly see this. Now this space is for the timing chain, this space is for the timing chain, and this groove is having a sealing for the purpose of tightening the timing chain. So this timing chain, you can see at here, it will insert like this. Okay, it will insert from here, and this is the gear, timing gear, valve timing gear, it is called as the valve timing gear. So this gear will be, just I will show you how this is fitted here. So you can see this timing gear will be like this. Now this gear will be in the cylinder head, this will be in the cylinder head. Okay, this part is in the cylinder head, and this mounting, that is the timing chain, this is called as the timing chain, means valve timing chain. This is the valve timing chain whose function is to open and close the valves. So we have already seen these valves which are attached here, the valves are attached here to the in the cylinder head. So these are the old valves